Unlocking English Idioms, Unveiling All Front. Hello, and welcome to our English language adventure. Today, we're going to unfold the layers of a fascinating phrase, all front. Whether you're an English learner or just someone curious about idiomatic expressions, understanding phrases like this is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and discover the meaning behind this intriguing expression. All front is a phrase you might hear in movies, shows, or from English speakers. But what does it actually mean? When someone is described as all front, it suggests that they are showing a confident, bold, or aggressive facade, but there might not be much substance, sincerity, or capability beyond that exterior. It's like a building with a beautiful facade but nothing inside. The word front can refer to the most forward part or surface of something. In the context of a person, it's the side that they show to the world. By saying someone is all front, it's like saying they are all about appearances. They present a strong image, but it might not reflect their true feelings or abilities. Let's look at some examples to see how all front can be used in everyday language. In a social situation, don't mind his tough talk. He's all front. He's actually quite friendly once you get to know him. At work, she seems very confident in meetings, always dominating the conversation. But when it comes to actual results, she's all front. In personal relationships, he portrays himself as a wealthy businessman online, but it's all front. He's not as successful as he seems. Understanding phrases like all front is important for English learners because it helps you grasp the nuanced emotions and descriptions that native speakers often use. This phrase, in particular, can be essential in understanding character dynamics in stories or the underlying themes in conversations. We hope this exploration of the phrase, all front, has been illuminating. Remember, language is not just about the literal meaning of words but also the emotions and implications they carry. Keep an eye out for such expressions, and soon you'll be understanding and speaking English with even greater depth and color. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.